Hello and welcome to the Wild Nature Channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most common and fascinating birds, the chicken. It's long been part of our everyday lives, but did you know how many interesting facts lie behind its familiar appearance? In this video, we'll reveal amazing facts about chickens, their behavior, and even a few surprises. So make yourself comfortable. It's going to be interesting. The chicken is a domestic bird belonging to the pheasant family and the order Galliformes. It's the most widespread domestic bird in the world. Its global population exceeds 33 billion. Chickens originate from the wild red jungle fowl, which lived in Southeast Asia. Domestication occurred about 6,000 to 8,000 years ago. There are hundreds of chicken breeds, classified by purpose, size, appearance, and productivity. The main types of chickens by agricultural purpose include gig-laying breeds, bred for maximum egg production, light, fast-growing, and start laying early, for example, Leghorn, Lohman Brown. Meat breeds, broilers, bred for rapid weight gain, for example, Cobb 500, Cornish. Dual purpose breeds, suitable for both meat and eggs, but less productive in either category. For example, Plymouth Rock, Kuchinskaya Jubilee. Ornamental breeds, kept mainly for beauty or shows, for example, Silky, Phoenix. Fighting breeds, bred for cockfighting, for example, Malay. The chicken is a bird with a sturdy body structure. Weight ranges from 1.5 to 5 kilograms depending on the breed. Roosters are usually heavier than hens, with a weight difference of up to 1 kilogram. There are also bantam, dwarf breeds, weighing from 500 grams to 1.2 kilograms. Feather colour varies greatly: white, grey, orange, reddish, brown, red, black. A chicken has a small head with a short, pointed beak. This is not just a tool for eating. It's also a sensory organ that helps detect texture, temperature, and taste. Both hens and roosters have a noticeable wattle and comb on their heads. These structures help regulate body temperature by directing blood flow to the skin. In most cases, the comb is larger in roosters than in hens. Chickens have round eyes that detect movement well. Their necks are slender and flexible. Wings are short and small. Chickens can fly, but not well, only for short distances. They might fly onto a fence, a tree, or a perch, but they're not capable of long flights. They have prominent broad chests, wide backs and tails that usually point slightly upward. Roosters have longer, fuller tails than hens. Chickens have strong legs with several toes and claws, adapted for scratching the ground. Chickens are very social birds that live in flocks with a clear order. Each group has a leader, usually the strongest hen or rooster. The leader eats first, picks the best places for roosting or nesting, and the others follow its lead. If a new chicken is introduced into the flock, the others may peck it until it finds its place in the hierarchy. Cannibalism can sometimes occur among chickens. One bird may peck at another's wound, especially due to stress from overcrowding or a lack of certain nutrients in their diet. Chickens actively communicate using sounds. Each sound has its own meaning: warning of danger, finding food, announcing an egg has been laid, and more. They also use gestures, such as head movements, wing motions, or feather fluffing. Chickens like doing everything together: walking, eating, scratching the ground, and taking dust baths, which helps clean their feathers. They can even recognize each other and distinguish the faces of up to 100 different chickens or people. Chickens reproduce through eggs. For a chick to hatch, a rooster is needed to fertilize the hen. Afterward, the hen lays a fertilized egg. Unlike many other birds, a hen doesn't need a specific nest. She will comfortably lay eggs in any nearby nesting spot she finds suitable. Chickens can recognize spoiled eggs and usually push them out of the nest. Sometimes chickens lay double-yolked eggs, but unfortunately, twin chicks cannot develop inside one shell. There's simply not enough space for two embryos to grow properly. A hen sits on her eggs to keep them warm. This is called brooding. Interestingly, hens will brood both their own and other hens' eggs without distinguishing between them. While brooding, a hen barely leaves the nest, only occasionally getting up to eat and drink. If there's no broody hen, eggs can be placed in an incubator, which provides the warmth needed for hatching. After 3 weeks, small chicks hatch from the eggs. Chicks are born fluffy, quickly stand up and start walking. They follow their mother, who keeps them warm, teaches them how to find food, and protects them. Chickens are omnivorous birds. They eat grains, grass, vegetables, fruits, worms, insects, and even kitchen scraps. Their diet mainly consists of grain mixtures: wheat, corn, barley, sunflower seeds. They're also fed compound feed that contains all the nutrients needed for growth and egg laying. To lay strong eggs, chickens need calcium, for example, crushed eggshells or chalk, which helps form solid eggshells. They also need fresh water every day. In the yard, chickens forage for insects, green grass, and seeds, a healthy supplement to their main feed. Chickens live, on average, 5 to 10 years. Ornamental breeds can live up to 10 years or longer. Until recently, the world's oldest living chicken was a bird nicknamed Peanut, who died in December 2023 at the age of 21 years and 238 days. The chicken isn't just a bird that lays eggs. It's intelligent, caring, has fascinating behaviours, and plays an important role in farming. We hope you found it interesting to learn more about chickens. Leave a comment, give us a like, and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.